Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share to you my favorite strawberry banana smoothie. Here's the ingredients. Have to put the strawberry. Next is the banana. And of course you have to peel it off before you put it in. And you can take off whatever bad thing in there first. Next is the yogurt. You can put whatever kind of yogurt would you like. It could be a plain yogurt or with flavors. So yeah, you have to keep on smiling while you're doing it. And then next is the wheat germs. And last is the fruit juice. You can put whatever kind of juice would you like. And then you have to blend them well. And you can dance also while you keep on doing it. So yeah, just keep on smiling so that it's gonna be more delicious. And that's it. Thank you.